Good morning, students. In the last class, you completed exercise 4A and I explained you all the laws of exponent. Product law of exponent, quotient law of exponent, power law of exponent, zero exponent law, negative exponent law, and then power of a product law, power of a quotient law. Today I will explain you these examples. I told you in the last class also to go through these examples, and I hope you all have gone through these examples. Still I am explaining you. First example, here example 3. Write the following products in exponential notation. A part 5 multiply 5 power 2, or we can say 5 square. 5 multiply 5 square is equal. This 5 will be considered as 5 power 1. So we will add both the powers because here both the bases are same. I told you when both the bases are, if there are two numbers and base of two numbers are same, then their powers are added. So we will add these powers. 5 power 1 plus 2. It is 5 power 3. Using first law, product law of exponent. It is a power m multiply a power n is equal a power m plus n. In the same way, second B part is minus 9 power 4 multiply minus 9 power 3. Minus 9 power 4 multiply minus 9 power 3 is equal. Again both the bases are same. What is the base? Base is minus 9 in both the cases. So we will add the powers. If there is multiplication sign, then we add the powers. Minus 9 power 4 plus 3. It is minus 9 power 7. Again using same law, a power m multiply a power n is equal a power m plus n. What is this law known as? Product law of exponent. Next C part, same. 2 upon 3 power 2, or we can say 2 upon 3 square multiply 2 upon 3 cube. 2 upon 3 square multiplied 2 upon 3 cube is equal. What is the base in both the cases? 2 upon 3. So we will write 2 upon 3 and add both the powers. 2 plus 3. It will become 2 upon 3 power 5. Same law, a power m multiply a power n is equal a power m plus n. We have to mention the law, which law we are using. Same here, minus 5 power 7 multiply minus 5 power 3. Same. Come to next example, example 4. 2 power 5 multiply 2 power 2. This is evaluate the following, and what is here? Write the following products in exponential notation, and here we have to evaluate. So first we will do just as we have done here. 2 power 5 multiply 2 power 2. It will become 2 power 5 plus 2. We will add both the powers. It will become 2 power 7. Now write 2 7 times. 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, as we did in exercise 4A. 4A question number 3. So when we multiply this 2 7 times, 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 16 2 ja 32, 32 2 ja 64, 64 2 ja 128. Now come to part B. Minus 3 power 4 divided by minus 3 power 1. Here it is second law. Here it is multiply sign and here it is division sign. So minus 3 power 4 minus 1. When there is division sign, we subtract the powers. Using second law, a power m divided by a power n is equal a power m minus n. It is known as quotient law of exponent. So it will become minus 3 power 3. Minus 3 power 3 means minus 3 multiply by minus 3 multiply by minus 3. It will become minus 27. Minus 3 multiply minus 3, it is plus 9. Plus 9 multiply by minus 3, it is minus 27. Then 2 upon 5 multiply 2 upon 5 power 2. Again same, 2 upon 5 multiply 2 power 5 power 2 is equal 2 upon 5. We will add the powers 1 plus 2. It is 2 upon 5 power 3. We will write it 3 times 2 upon 5 multiply 2 upon 5 multiply 2 upon 5. It will become 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8 upon 5 5 ja 25, 25 5 ja 125. Then D part. 3 upon 4 power 2 divided by 3 upon 4 power 5. 3 upon 4 power 2 divided by 3 upon 4 power 5. 3 upon 4 power 2 minus 5. A power m divided by a power n is equal a power m minus n. It is second B law. So it will become 3 upon 4. 2 minus 5 is minus 3. Clear? Is equal 4 upon 3 power 3. A upon B. Which law is this one? A upon B power minus 1 is equal B upon A. See, it is here at base. A upon B power minus 1 is equal B upon A. So it will become, or you can say like this, as I told you, A upon B power minus 3 is equal B upon A power 3. I told you it in earlier class. So we will apply in the same way. It is 3 upon 4 power minus 3. It will become 4 upon 3 power 3. From negative, power will become positive. So we will multiply 4 upon 3 3 times. So it will become 64 upon 27 like this. 4 upon 3 multiply 4 upon 3 multiply 4 upon 3. 64 upon 27. Now it is an improper fraction because numerator is greater than denominator. So we will divide this 64 by 27. We get 2 is to 10 upon 27. Next question. Next example, not question. Minus 4 upon 7 power 3 multiply minus 4 upon 7 power 0. So minus 4 upon 7 power 3 multiply minus 4 upon 7 power 0. We can write it minus 4 upon 7 power 3 as it is. Multiply minus 4 upon 7 power 0 value will be 1. As we know, see here, fourth law. Any non-zero number raised to the power of 0 gives 1. This is known as zero exponent law. A power 0 is equal 1. So here what is the base? Minus 4 power 7 power 0. If power is 0, whatever the base is, it doesn't matter. If power or exponent is 0, then its value will be 1. So multiply 1. Then minus 4 upon 7 power 3, it is equal to minus 4 upon 7 power 3. It is minus 64 upon 343. Or we can do like this also. See, minus 4 upon 7, both the power will be added, 3 plus 0. Then minus 4 upon 7 power 3, it will become minus 64 upon 343. Because we will multiply minus 4 upon 7 3 times. Next example, F. Minus 1 upon 6 power minus 1 multiply minus 1 upon 6 power minus 2. Minus 1 upon 6 power minus 1 multiply minus 1 upon 6 power minus 2. We will add these two powers. So it will become minus 1 upon 6 power minus 3. Or we will write first like this, minus 1 upon 6 minus 1 plus minus 2. It will become minus 1 upon 6 power minus 3. Then again we will use same law, law number 5 as here, this one. So it will become minus 6 upon 1 power 3, or we will multiply minus 6 multiply by minus 6 3 times. It will become minus 216. Then next example, G. Minus 2 upon 3 power 3 multiply 6 upon 7 power minus 1. Here neither exponents are equal nor bases are equal. Then what we will do? Minus 2 upon 3 power 3 multiply 6 upon 7 power minus 1. it will become minus 8 upon 27 because value of minus 2 upon 3 power minus 2 upon 3 power 3. When we multiply this minus 2 upon 3 times, we get minus 8 upon 27 and 6 upon 7 power minus 1. Using this rule, a upon b power minus 1 is equal b upon a. So value of 6 upon 7 power minus 1 will become 7 upon 6. Then simplify it. See, 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8 and no more. Then 4 7 ja 28 minus 28 upon 27 3 ja 81. Come to next example. Example H. Minus 4 upon 5 power 3 divided by 125 upon 128 power minus 1. See here, again neither powers are same nor bases are same. So it will be written as, when we multiply minus 4 upon 5 3 times, we get minus 64 upon 125. And this is power minus 1. Using this rule, we can write this 125 upon 128 power minus 1. It will be written as 128 upon 125. So my value of minus 4 upon 5 power 3 is minus 64 upon 125 divided. Then value of this, it will become 128 upon 125. Now this minus 64 upon 125, change this division sign to multiply sign and write reciprocal of second rational number. It will become 125 upon 128, 125 cancel. Then 64 1 ja 64, 64 2 ja 128. So it is minus 1 upon 2. Is it clear? If you have any problem, you can ask in the class group. Then come to next example. Example I. Minus 3 upon 4 power minus 1 then whole power 2. Again it will be equal to, using this rule. See this one, a power m multiply b power m. No, not this rule. This one, third one rule, power law of exponent. If a power m whole power n, then we multiply both the powers. So minus 3 upon 4 power minus 1 multiply by 2, it will become minus, you can write first step, one more step, minus 3 upon 4 power minus 2. Then this is negative power, so write reciprocal of this base. It will become minus 4 upon 3 and power will become plus. Then multiply minus 4 upon 3 two times, like this, minus 4 upon 3 multiply by minus 4 upon 3. Minus 4 multiply minus 4 plus 16, 3 3 ja 9. Again it is an improper fraction. We will divide this 16 by n. So we will get 1:7 upon 9. Now come to here. Next example. Minus 7 upon 9 power minus 1 then whole power minus 1 then again one more power 2. Here there are 3 powers, single base. Here there are 2 powers, here there are 3 powers. So it will be equal, we will multiply all these 3 powers. Minus 7 upon 9 power minus 1 multiply minus 1 multiply by 2. So minus 1 multiply minus 1 plus 1 plus 1 multiply by 2, it is plus 2. Minus 7 upon 9 power 2, when we multiply minus 7 upon 9 multiply minus 7 upon 9 2 times, we will get 7 7 ja 49, 9 9 ja 81. J. Is it clear up to here? Okay. Now students, come to exercise 4b. Its remaining examples I will explain in next class. So first question, evaluate the following. A part, 3 upon 8 square, 3 upon 8 power 2. So we will write 3 upon 8 two times and multiply it. 3 upon 8 multiply 3 upon 8, 3 3 ja 9 upon 8 8 ja 64. B part, minus 4 upon 7 power 3, or we can say minus 4 upon 7 whole cube. So we will write minus 4 upon 7 3 times, minus 4 upon 7 multiply minus 4 upon 7 multiply minus 4 upon 7 multiply minus 4 multiply minus 4 plus 16 multiply minus 4, it is minus 64. 7 7 ja 49, 49 multiply by 7 343. So answer is minus 64 upon 343. Now C part, 11 multiply 7 power 2. So 11 multiply, write 7 2 times, 7 multiply 7, 11 7 ja 77, 77 multiply by 7, we get 539. Next D part, minus 4 power 2 multiply minus 5 power 3. So first we will write minus 4 2 times and minus 5 3 times. Minus 4 multiply minus 4 multiply minus 5 multiply minus 5 multiply minus 5. Minus 4 multiply minus 4, 16 multiply minus 5 plus 25 multiply by minus 5 minus 125. When we multiply 16 by minus 125, we will get minus 2000. 16 5 ja 80, carry 8, 16 2 ja 32 and 8, 40, 0 carry 4, 16 1 ja 16 plus 4 20. Next, minus 1 multiply 9 whole cube. So first we will multiply this minus 1 with 9. It will become minus 9 whole power 3 minus 9 multiply minus 9 multiply minus 9. 9 9 ja 81 plus 81 multiply by minus, it is plus 81 multiply by minus 9. It will become 9 1 ja 9, 9 8 ja 72. Minus 729. Next, F part, 8 power 0 multiply 99 power 0. So value of 8 power 0 is equal 1, multiply value of 99 power 0 is equal also 1. 1 1 ja 1. As just now I explained you in the example, using fourth law, that is 0 exponent no, a power 0 is equal 1. If power is 0, whatever base, it doesn't matter, value will be 1. Next, 5 multiplied by 17 power 0 plus 19 power 0. So 5, value of 17 power 0 1 plus 19 power 0 is equal also 1. So 5 multiplied by 1 plus 1 2. 5 2 ja 10. You have to mention the law, which law you are using. You have to write it against it or in front of it. Now next come to next part, 4 upon 9 multiply 4 upon 9 power 2. Here 4 upon 9 will be considered as power 1. In this case both the bases are same, so power will be added. 4 upon 9 power 1 plus 2. It will be 4 upon 9 power 3. Write 4 upon 9 3 times. 4 upon 9 multiply 4 upon 9 multiply 4 upon 9. 4 4 ja 16, 16 4 ja 64, 9 9 ja 81, 81 9 ja 729. Using first law, that is product law of exponent, a power m multiply a power n is equal a power m plus n. Next question, I part, 10 upon 11 power 1 multiply 10 upon 11 power 2 multiply 10 upon 11 power minus 3. So in these three cases, in these three terms, all three bases are same and there is multiplication sign between them. So we will add the powers. 10 upon 11 power 1 plus 2, this 1 plus 2 plus minus 3, this one. So 10 upon 11 power 1 plus 2, 3, then this minus 3, 10 upon 11 power 0 is equal 1. What is the base here? 10 upon 11, which doesn't matter. Value will be 1. Here we are using two laws. In this line we are using product law of exponent, that is a power m multiply a power n is equal a power m plus n. Sorry, m minus n, not m plus n. And in this line using a power 0 is equal 1. Next part, J. You will do self. What is the J part? I am writing here. If you are not having the book, it is 25 upon 27 power minus 1 then multiply 25 upon 27 power 2. This is J part, you will do self. Now come to K, 3 upon 5 power 3 divided by 3 upon 5 power 2. In this case, see, both the bases are same, but in this question, in this case, in place of multiplication sign, we have division sign. So in case of division, we subtract the powers. 3 upon 5 power 3 minus 2, it is 3 upon 5 power 1. So value of 3 upon 5 power 1 will be 3 upon 5. Which law we are using here? Using quotient law, that is a power m divided by a power n is equal a power m minus n. Next, L part, 15 upon 7 power minus 3 divided by 15 upon 7 power minus 2. Again both the bases are same and there is division sign between these two terms. So we will subtract the powers using which law? A power m divided a power n is equal a power m minus n. So we will write it 15 upon 7, this power minus 3, then sign for subtraction, and then second power minus 2. So 15 upon 7 power minus 3, this minus 2 will become plus 2, this minus minus plus. So 15 upon 7 power minus 1. Then here power is negative, so we will write the reciprocal of base. It will become 17 upon 15 power 1 means 17 upon 15. Which law we are using here? Using a upon b minus 1 is equal b upon a. That is which one law? That is law number 5. This is law number 5.